Welcome to the world of new normal. As we all know, the Malaysian government has cautioned businesses that are allowed to open during these lockdown days to take all necessary precautions to reduce the high volume of COVID-19 positive cases. VHealthcare would like to assure you that we have the expertise to bring about positive changes to your work environment, adapting your office pragmatically into the new norm. With an experienced team of internationally acclaimed doctors, medical experts, sanitation professionals, we enable new normal through COVID-19 screening test, pandemic-grade sanitation, staff precautionary measures, and emergency training programs, virus containment floor plan strategies, and screening equipment consultation. We have advanced technology and methods to assure you safe and successful new normal functioning. With us, keep your organization function safely amidst COVID-19 pandemic. Thank you.